Imagine posting a simple selfie, expecting maybe a few likes, and instead, boom, 500,000 people are talking about your nose. That's what happened to Naomi Palula, a Zambian lawyer and mom who just wanted to share her skincare routine on Instagram. Overnight, her photo exploded with comments, most of them cruel, mocking her appearance, her nose, even telling her she didn't belong online. Now, most of us would hit delete, right? But Naomi did something different. She left the post up. She read every message, the good and the ugly. And then she did the hardest thing of all. She chose not to hide. See, growing up in Zambia, Naomi always felt a little out of place. She was too thin for local beauty standards, too black for the places she studied overseas, and always people had something to say about her nose. But instead of letting the world tell her who she should be, she started asking, why should I erase the features that connect me to my family, my story, my father? It wasn't quick. It wasn't easy. Naomi leaned into her faith, reminding herself that she was, as Psalm 139 says, fearfully and wonderfully made. Sure, some days the comments still hurt, but she realized the journey isn't about changing others. It's about healing herself. Her now viral response? I'm not beautiful, so what? To Naomi, beauty isn't about meeting someone else's standard. It's about being real, embracing what makes you, you. And that kind of honesty, it shines brighter than any filter ever could. So next time you feel the pressure to fit in, remember, Naomi, our worth isn't measured in likes or comments. It's measured in how bravely we choose to be ourselves.
For these and more stories, tune into Zim News Bit TV with Robert Tafumani.